In Teamwork Desk, there may often be a case where a particular ticket sent in will result in the need for you to add a task in Teamwork projects. Rather than having to manually head over to projects and add that task, you can easily add a task into Teamwork projects directly from a ticket in Teamwork Desk. For instance, here I want to add a task in Teamwork projects from this ticket. All I have to do is select the Options dropdown, and here you see the option to add a task. In the Add Task window, the first thing we need to do is select our project. We can go through our list here, or we can search for a particular project, and I'm going to go with the Marketing Content Strategy. Next up, we select our task list, and I'll say Help Docs. And now we can either add a new task or update an existing task. And I'll stick with New Task for now. And now all we need to do is add our task as normal. So we start with the task name. Next up, in the Who and When tab, we can assign this task to a particular user or set of users. And I'll assign this task to myself. We can choose to notify the user by email. We can add a start date and a due date. Up here, we can add our description. And in this description tab, you can see that we have the options to include the customer details and the customer message. We can also attach files, so we can drag and drop files here. We can add files from our local computer, or indeed if the ticket had any attachments, we can add those attachments into the task. We can customize the privacy, so who has access to this task. We can add our priority, estimated time. We can add followers, tags, and we can add this task into a particular column in board view. Then once we're happy, just select Create Task. If we want to see any tasks that have been added to a ticket, we can easily just select the Tasks tab here, where you can see that the task that we've just created is in this list. And we can easily add tasks from here, or indeed we can mark this task as complete. We can also click on the task to get a preview. We can open this task in a new window. We can also unlink this task from the ticket, and we can delete the task entirely. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add a task from a ticket in Teamwork Desk. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.